Hello friends, I am Smita and welcome to my channel Divine Vibrations. Today's topic is, why did the twin flames incarnate at this time? The twin flames are old souls and this is their last life of most, if not all of them. The twin flames have incarnated to detach from the ego self and awaken unconditional love for themselves, their twin, and everyone else. They need to get out of the ego mind and operate from their loving heart. And this can be achieved only by balancing their yin and yang energies. Most of the twins are alpha males or alpha females who believe in following societal beliefs and norms, and their masculine side is much stronger than their feminine side, or vice versa. So to come into union, they will need to bring both energies into balance. For that, they need to heal all the past fears, pains, traumas that they have experienced through all lifetimes. They need to question and look at their beliefs and conditioning and make the necessary changes. They have been part of many generations and centuries and carry within them those beliefs, traumas, and challenges of those lifetimes which they need to heal now. In this life also, they will clear their past karmas with all the people they meet or have met during all their past lives. This is the reason they will meet many enemies, friends, and soulmates in various different forms, even in this life, to clear out those past karmas. They are healing big time, not only for themselves, but as empaths and light workers, even for the collective consciousness. And this healing has been going on for years for them. It is very important that they heal themselves so that they can become the beacon of light to help and guide others. They may go through a lot of pain and trauma in this life so that they can transmute it to healing and lessons. This will be their training period or preparation for the healer jobs that they will have to do later. So instead of focusing on the romance and relationship, they need to focus on the lessons that need to be learned, the changes they need to bring within themselves and around them. The twin flames meet when the smaller lessons are learned and karma cleared with most people, so that they can now mirror and clear the deeper and harder lessons. Their deep love, romance, and chemistry exists between them as they are lovers through many lifetimes and centuries, and it acts as a motivation so that they don't give up on each other and continue to do the healing. It is happening in this time and age because even the planetary positions are such so as to help and assist them in their healing, purging, and awakening. We all know of the great conjunction that happened on 21st December and the stellium that will be happening on 12th Feb. So all this is assisting in our healing. We are entering the age of Aquarius, which is all about uplifting humanity. It is the time to let go of old beliefs and conditionings of the past, to change how the society operates and shift old paradigms, to create new ways and paths of living life and relationships, to think in new and better ways and creating a different, more inclusive and loving world. Once the twin flames heal themselves and come into union, they will be the founders and creators of this new loving world. That is the mission that they have come here to fulfill. Lots of love and light to all of you, and thank you for taking your time to listen to me. Have a good day. Bye bye.